Subscribe to this channel for free by pressing on the red colored subscribe button and get the latest update of this channel by pressing on bell icon. Welcome to channel Zoboto, and today we will do unboxing of Himalaya Quista Pro whey protein powder. It is in chocolate flavor, so let's get started. So I bought it from Amazon. Just now I got it. So let's do the unboxing. Let's tear it off. Came with nice packing. It's just here. Here is our bill. It is from Amazon.in. So let's take it out. So here is the Himalaya Quista Pro protein powder. It is a 1 kg and 29 servings. So here we can see it contains ingredients that helps in develop muscle, maintain bone health, build stamina and endurance, minimize post-workout injuries, hasten recovery. And here it is written that 100% protein from whey power blend. One thing which I like is here it is written that no preservatives, no added color, no added sugar, and trans fat free. So there is no trans fat present in it. And it is of chocolate flavor. The major ingredients which are present in this Quista Pro protein powder is PDCAAs of 1, whey protein per serving 22 grams. Means if you take 30 grams of whey protein, you will get 22 grams of protein. And here it contains essential amino acids per serving 10.3 grams, BCAA 5 grams per serving, glutamine and glutamic added per serving 3.1 gram, and whey peptides per serving 550 mgs. So it is quite good. Here we can see nutritional information. The serving size is 34 gram and energy in one serving is 130 kilocalories, and percent RDA is 7% per 2 servings. Protein we get is 22 grams as I told before. Carbohydrates is 8.50 grams per serving. There is no sugar, and fat is very less, that is 0.85 grams. Calcium is 151 mgs. Taurine is 17 mg, and there are some vitamins present in it, that is vitamin C 10.2 mg, vitamin E 1.80 mg, vitamin B5 it is 0.58 mg, vitamin B6 that is 0.26 mg, and vitamin B1 that is 0.20 mg. The price of this protein powder is 2,500 in MRP of 1 kilograms. This protein powder is fortified with ingredients from Ayurveda, which improves muscle and health. It contains ashwagandha or winter cherry, helps build muscle mass, improve muscular strength, and helps in overcoming fatigue. and it contains astismara, a well-known herb for bone and joint health, promotes recovery from injured connective tissue and relief joint pains. This also contains pomegranate that reduces muscle soreness and improves post-workout recovery. So here are the directions for use. Add 1 scoop of 34 grams of Quista Pro to a glass containing approximately 180 ml water and stir it. Or you can add 180 ml of water into shaker containing 1 scoop of protein powder and cover and shake for 20 to 25 seconds. And even you can use milk instead of water. It can taste better, but I prefer to take it in water because milk contains fats and I prefer to take in water most of the time. Sometimes I take in milk also. So let's open it. So here's the seal packing and it is quite good. Let's open it. So here's the protein powder. So thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.